Again, everybody, this is Dave from Xclusive Collectibles back for their box break. We're going to be checking out 2023-24 NBA Hoops Basketball Blaster Box. Obviously retail, but, you know, you can find one autograph or memorabilia card per box. And we're going to open this up, check it out. Give me something to do when I finally end up getting a spine surgery. Nice fat packs. Alright. I don't know if we'll get a Wemby, but we haven't been having much luck lately with anything else. DeAndre Jordan, Matisse Thybulle, Alex Caruso, Julius Randle, Kyle Lowry, AJ Griffin, Zion making his appearance. Johnny Davis, Derrick Rose, Derek Lively II, rookie. Luka Dončić, Nick Smith, Jonathan Kuminga, Nikola Jokić, Skyview insert. Grady Dick, greetings from Toronto insert. Yeah, I haven't had much luck. We got a little bit good luck in Bowman Chrome and some of the mega boxes from Topps Chrome, but yeah, it's been slim picking on some other stuff. Cameron Thomas, Jimmy Butler, Derek White, Cameron Johnson, Josh Hart, Simone Fontecchio, Chio, Mason Plumlee, Keegan Murray, James Wiseman, James Nagy, Devin Vassell, Keontae George, NBA Hoops, Scoot Henderson, arriving now, Jalen Wilson, Jamal Murray, Skyview, DeAndre Fox, Dynamos, inserts, and rounding off that pack, Chet Holmgren, purple. Everybody's been hot on Wemby this year. I barely even wanted to open anything. Prices and grading are crazy lately. Nikola Vucevic, Mo Bamba, Aaron Gordon, Jeremy Grant, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Max Strus, Jake LaRavia, DeAndre Hunter, Jalen Slauson, rookie card. Kevin Durant, Anthony Black, rookie card. Giannis Antetokounmpo, I can never say his Octopenko. Leonard Miller, rookie card at the bottom. Alright. Just about the middle of the order. Boban Marjanovic, Scotty Barnes, Paul George, Fred Van Fleet, Darius Garland, Jalen Williams, Marvin Bagley III, Malik Monk, Ivica Zubac, D'Angelo Russell, Jalen Hood Schifino, LeBron James, Cam Whitmore, Nick Smith, greetings from Charlotte, insert, and Jarris Walker arriving now. All right. Karl Anthony Towns, Dorian Finney-Smith, Wendell Moore Jr., Zach LaVine, D'Anthony Merton, John Collins, Marcus Smart, Jordan Poole, Jaren Jackson Jr., Amen Thompson, rookie card, Jalen Pickett, Moses Moody, Emoni Bates, Anthony Edwards, Skyview, insert, final pack. This has been very lackluster. Christian Braun, Sheldon Sharp, Jabari Smith Jr., Dennis Schroeder, Kyle Kuzma, C.G. McCollum, Isaiah Mobley, Chet Holmgren, Brandon Miller, Noah Clowney, Andrew Wiggins, Kobe Buffkin, Trey Jones, Jason Tatum, Pure Players insert, Jordan Walker, purple rookie. So what a terrible box. I mean, out of all boxes that I've opened, this is probably one of the more lackluster ones that I've ever seen. So, you know what? Thanks for taking a look at my video. You know what? You guys are going to be Wemby hunting and everything else, but, God bless you. Because, yeah, I've gotten some stinky boxes lately. So, you know what? Thanks for watching again. Have a good one. Stay safe. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for more videos. Listen and download us on SoundCloud. Visit our site at bloxnews.net and xclusivecollectibles.com for articles, news, collectibles, and help with your website, marketing, and SEO needs. Email us